Alright guys, we are now at Keppel Station and say hi. We are now at Keppel Station. Say hi, Carl.
Hello, I received this already.
Alright, let's go. So right here we have again this entrance. We have one side and the other side of the escalator as usual. And so we're gonna
We split up.
we go together in the video. So we're going to the upper section, the upper layer there to tour around, which is the concourse level. So we're going to check out.
There will be CCL there.
Oh really? The minister? Alright, let's see if we can meet the minister. So as I'm wondering, like, why is there like a brown house over there? Because I thought there's a TL design, but here we are. So this is what it looks like for the concourse level. We have Damien over here. We are touring around the Keppel Station.
And I'm gonna be following them, so why not?
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Should we meet Jeffrey or not?
Alright, let's go. Okay, so there's some activities over here. As you can see, we have like a card collection, but we'll see about that later. And here are the arts of the exhibition right here. Those comic arts. This tour is great. Okay, so we're gonna go around here. Alright. A train people model. Okay, so when we go along here, we will get to see all those artworks here. We have those artworks here as well, which is the Keppel Harbour. And for more information, you can come here to read. And here's are the designs, especially you can see a pirate boat there, because we're actually near the port. So these are all the flying cargoes. Why do you guys had a thought of flying cargoes? That's the insane and innovation. Yeah?
Jeffrey is on your side.
Oh really? Where?
He is over there. Can you just follow behind?
Jeffrey. Which one?
It's all the way to the front.
All the way to the front. And here are the more info we're gonna check out later. Hello, is this Jeffrey?
No, Jeffrey's
Oh, Jeffrey. Oh. Okay. Well, we have the minister there. So let's just introduce that's Jeffrey there. Okay. So so I think there's a lot more going on over here.
Why are you guys connecting?
Basically seeing what they're doing. I mean, there's a lot more private things that are going along right here. So we're just gonna take a step back a bit to see a bit. Okay, so now we'll do is we'll all do respect. Let's just all be mindful, yeah. Let's just all be mindful. Alright, so why not let's just go and check out the other areas. He just said hi to me after I was asking like which one is Jeffrey. So a very exciting to know about it is that we can see the memorials museum, a bit of museum of of this Tanjong Pagar Railway. So this was what it looks like probably like more than a decade ago. And right now we are actually but we are actually like a stop away from this cantonment station in the previous video. So closing the circle loop is where we actually are boarded right now, and this is the map of how the Circle Line station is like. So furthermore, there's like a lot of like information here, and these are the mock-up plan of the underground Circle Line stage 6 and the highway itself. So this is the layout. So if you're wondering like what else we can see, is that we have this experiment of how Circle Line stage 6, the underground, is being dug through. So this roller spinning machine was pretty insane. Look how big it is. I think the first time when I get to know Circle Line stage 6 was like how it processed like this. And then I found out like we're basically all under this tunnel while riding on a train. So like I just want to say that a huge thank for a big help to whoever made all these. So this is the experiment of how Circle Line station is made. What do you think?
Good.
Just good? It's a new station, what do you mean just good? Okay.
Wanna go? Have you go?
And I don't know what the hell is this thing. What the frick is this junk thing?
Wanna go Keppel?
I just visited there, but we can go again later on. Right, so this is how the skylight looks like. It looks like a design skylight in Los Angeles. But why would there be like a... I mean, although it's a new station, but it kind of looks like... It kind of reminds me of what it looks like, the housing at Los Angeles, you know?
Alright, see you.
Right, so this is how the motor spin is like right above. So as you can see, this is the experiment of how it was conducted. So right here, we have one end and to the other end, and we have like a few... We have like a few skylights. And there we go, we have the CA following in.